Hi there, I'm going to show you how to get the basics of iMovie set up so that you can take some raw clips and turn them into some nice little videos. This is iMovie. This is iMovie 11 actually, and the versions haven't changed too much, but it's worth noting that this is iMovie 11 instead of iMovie 9 or a previous version. I'm going to start out and I'm just going to import my clips. I'm actually keeping my clips in a file called video editing, and these are all shots I took during a trip to Mexico last year. And I'm going to upload them as their original size. I'm just going to start with 3 for now just to show you. Yeah, I give it a little bit of time. Excellent, it's almost wrapped up here. It's just bringing in the video. I'm going to create some thumbnails now so that we can see the little snippets of the video, little thumbnails if we want to zoom in on them. I'll explain all that in just a second. These right now, this is called an event, and so iMovie likes to divide I like to divide the different times you've imported different media into iMovie into events. And basically I think they're setting it up this way so that people who are creating often like birthday parties or anniversaries or kind of more traditional family events can keep track of it in that way. That's not something I'm used to. I'm used to just having raw clips and folders, but for whatever reason they call folders events in iMovie. So you got your events over here, and you got the clips that you're just raw clips that you've imported right here. And iMovie likes to just keep the clips in the thumbnail version, and as you drag across them, it likes to show you the clip real quickly. You can zoom in if you want to, or keep it zoomed out all the way. I personally like to have it just be one frame so that I can kind of scan through multiple clips at once versus getting kind of messy here with I can't tell where one clip ends and another begins. This is good for fine tuning, but I find it just a little bit overwhelming otherwise. And so this is what you have to work with, and this is what basically your project that's going on down here in the lower half of the screen. iMovie gives you the option to switch that if you choose to. You can have your raw footage and everything down here and your project going on up here. But for whatever reason, I think just because I got used to the Premiere way of doing things, that I like to set it up like that. And so to start with, I'm just going to, you can grab hunks of clips, so you can just grab one little snippet of it, and it's just going to grab the area between the yellow bars right here. Or I usually just like to grab the whole clip and then deal with it when I'm working with it down here. So I got my little clip right here, and I'm going to go here to this is add selected video to project, and add that there, and I'm going to do the same with these other ones. Add that video and that video. So what you have here now is you have the start of a basic movie that we're making. As you could probably figure out pretty quickly, it plays here and it displays down here. Each one of these little rectangles is a clip. This little thing is a transition. So you can see as that passes over, that's a transition. I have this file automatically set up to do cross-dissolve transitions. They're probably the most commonly used transition. I just find them the most easiest to use. Show the file. That's the file. Just like up here, you can actually go down here, go to zoom in all the way. So you're looking at each individual clip down here, or you can zoom out to all and just see the actual general clips. Gives you the option to, well, that doesn't really show you very much, but when you have more clips, it gives you the option to stack them. So it'll be it'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 all the way, and then next row and next row, or it'll give you just a long strip of clips. And for whatever reason, just because I'm probably used to it that way, I like to have it set up that way. This little orange bar right here is showing you how much of the clip that you're actually using. And so we're going to be going through and taking little snippets of the clips out because we don't want to use the whole thing. And so you'll see that orange bar will start, these orange bars right here, will start to have little chunks taken out of them. So for example, this first part of this clip, I can't really see too much going on. You can tell we're walking somewhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to clip trimmer. This clip trimmer basically is saying which part of the video do you want to see down here. And by dragging it to the left here it's saying start here on the clip. Here it's saying start here on the clip. So you can drag these on both sides, and then you can click off or you can click done. I'll open that again so you can see that. And so you can quickly just see which part of the video you're going to see down here in the project timeline. So you see I press play. It only plays that first part versus playing that original black part, and you can see up here this little orange bar is already a little bit shorter.